Hello YouTube and welcome to Channel ACube. In today's video, we are going to replace the battery on an Apple iPhone 5, model A1428. The iPhone is pretty old and I was told that it had been opened and serviced earlier. However, the current situation is that the battery does not hold any charge and the iPhone gets stuck in a boot loop and does not start up. Hence, we are going to replace the battery and restore the software using iTunes. Let's get to it right away. We first start by removing the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Once these are out, we can then place a suction cup at the lower half of the screen and secure it. There are flex cables at the top of the screen, so we need to have the phone in the right orientation. Since this phone has been opened already, there was no adhesive that was holding the screen down. A firm tug on the suction cup released the display from the rest of the device. The person who had opened the phone earlier had not done a very good job. The battery connector had been secured using sellotape and the metal hatch cover was nowhere to be found. I was able to disconnect the battery without any trouble, as there was no adhesive that was holding down the battery either. On further inspection, I realized that the previous job was really bad. A few flex cables from the motherboard were not even secured, and I could find a loose screw dangling from the camera assembly. I had to carefully reconnect the cables and secure the camera assembly back in place. I was able to find a replacement battery online. It arrived in good condition and also came along with double-sided tape. I will share the product link in the description below. The battery installation was quite simple. I flexed the cable carefully and firmly pressed it down on the motherboard contact. The reassembly process is pretty simple. We need to slide the display into the latches at the top of the phone and press it down to secure it. I then connected the phone to my MacBook and the phone came to life right away. It booted into recovery mode and then I used iTunes to restore it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. See you guys in the next one.